Is your HiSense Roku TV not showing up in your iPhone or iPad's screen mirroring list or keep saying unable to connect? Don't worry. Here are some easy steps to fix AirPlay and screen mirroring issues permanently. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad and your HiSense Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they already are, try this. Forget the Wi-Fi network on both your TV and iPhone. Then reconnect both devices again. This refreshes the connection and fixes a lot of AirPlay detection issues. Now, let's quickly check if AirPlay is enabled. Grab your Roku remote and go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. If it's off, your iPhone won't detect the TV. If AirPlay is already on but still not working, try this quick trick. In the same AirPlay menu, go to Reset Paired Devices and select Unpair Device from here. This removes all previously connected devices and clears out any broken AirPlay settings. After that, try connecting your iPhone again. Now let's enable another setting on your TV. Go to Settings again, then System, and Power. Select Fast TV Start and turn it on. This helps your TV respond faster to AirPlay requests. After that, go back to Settings, then System. Now select Advanced System Settings and Device Connect. Make sure Enable Device Connect is turned on. Now let's check your iPhone settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then go to General and AirPlay and Continuity. Here, change Automatically AirPlay to TVs to Automatic. If it's set to Never or Ask, your iPhone may not connect properly. If nothing else works, try doing a cold boot. Unplug your Roku TV from power for about 5 minutes. While that's happening, restart your iPhone or iPad as well. Then plug everything back in and try AirPlay again. Most of the time, this completely fixes the issue. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the AirPlay and screen mirroring issue on your HiSense Roku TV. If this helped, stay tuned with Fix 369 for more helpful tips and tricks.